BKH Motors presents you an immaculate fully automatic 5-seater Mercedes B-Class 180, 2014 model with very clean 1.6-litre engine and is fully ULAS compliance with good condition 360 around. This vehicle comes with genuine certified low mileage of 66,000 miles, AC, fully electric heated seats, electric windows, electric folding side mirrors, tinted windows for privacy, climate control, reverse camera, cruise control, stylish interior, elegant leather seats which are all working perfectly fine. Android, YouTube, Google etc. is also optionally available. The interior of the car is in very good condition. This vehicle is amazingly price valued only for £8,495. The drive of this vehicle is very smooth and it runs perfectly fine. BKH Motors is AA approved dealer, which means that BKH Motors is committed to AA standards, as all our vehicles comes with 1 year AA breakdown cover, minimum 6 months MOT, 360 health check of the vehicle, 3 months warranty which is extendable, service of the car, auction certificate for genuine mileage, valeting of the car, any inspection and test drive is welcome before you buy the vehicle. We also provide nationwide delivery. Why not give us a ring to discuss the vehicle with our highly trained sales expert so they can guide you regarding the vehicle of your interest. BKH Motors is one of the main dealership in UK with wide range of stock available for everyone needs. Our prices, services and client satisfactions made us Car Guru's top-rated dealer of 2024. BKH Motors, the name you can trust.